Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today, gagawa na naman tayo ulit ng What's Inside My Bag video featuring my FENDI Mini PeekABoo Black. Yep. So, sisimulan ko na kasi kapag nanonood ako ng ganitong video, fast forward lang ako ng fast forward kasi ang haba ng introduction ng ibang YouTubers. Pero, syempre, channel nila yun. Nakikinood lang ako. So, yeah. So to start with, I have this Swarovski Mathilde Bunny bag charm or keychain na nawala na yung isa niyang mouth na, yung isang charm dyan. Dito, tatlo to kasi, but nawala na. But still, it's still very cute. I love it. And letter J bag charm. So, hindi ko alam kung anong harap nitong bag na to, pero kung nasan yung wallet ko, kino-close ko siya. So, mag-start tayo dito sa hindi nakasara. So, I do have tissue dahil kailangan natin yan, of course. And I do have this blotting paper na charcoal. I got this from Forever 21. I just purchased this recently. And I got this for $1.90. Yeah. Yan, malaki yan. And this one, another purchase from Forever 21. This is a lip balm. Yeah. Raspberry from Asichuchu. Next is my gum. Not my favorite, pero pwede na. Wag nang choosy. And another Forever 21 item. This is the compact brush with mirror. I'm struggling because I'm using my other hand to hold the phone to film this video. So that's it. And next is my coin purse. It's just a Coach heart-shaped coin purse. Next is my Tory Burch Relentlessly Love ata yung name nito na perfume, cologne, mini size para kasya sa mga maliliit na bag dahil ayoko ng malaking bag. Gusto ko lang crossbody para madaling dalhin. At meron ako ditong tape measure dahil you know that I'm working overseas. I'm far away from my family. Anong connect? Dahil kapag biglang kailangan kong bumili ng stuffs for them like shoes, clothes, kaya kailangan ko nito. Kasi syempre matagal akong nahihiwalay sa kanila. Hindi ko na alam kung ano yung size nila. And next is my Chanel O-Case. Charot. Kate Spade lang yan. Pero feeling Chanel O-Case. So inside, I have my Tom Ford lip balm in Pure Shores number 05. I love this. Hindi ko to pagpapalit sa Dior. Ayoko yung Dior, ang lagkit-lagkit. Kapag humangin yung buhok ko, nasa labi ko na lahat. So, I love this one. That doesn't do that to me. And then, I have a pink hair tie. Gusto ko yung mga ganitong klaseng hair tie. Ano ba naman yung bibig ko? Dahil hindi siya bumabakat or hindi nagkaka-shape yung buhok. Yeah. Next is this NYX soft matte lip cream na favorite ko in the shade Cannes 19. Yeah, parang lumabo. Next is my Travelo na, Gucci Guilty yung nasa loob. And last is wet wipes from H&M. And it's empty. Wala akong, ito pala yung side na may open pocket. So, wala akong nilalagay doon. Okay. So, let's move on dito sa aking kabilang part. kung saan ko nilalagay yung essentials ko like wallets and yeah, yung mga importante. So, I have my 6-ring key holder from Louis Vuitton, and yeah, I do have this little twin stars na wala, ayun ang tumayo, keycap, and there's my initial. Next is my Chanel compact na bonggang-bonggang hindi ka-shade ng kulay ko. Ewan ko kung ba't ko to binili. Syempre dahil sa YouTube. Yan. Nagamit ko lang yung salamin. Minsan gusto ko magpamat. Pwede na rin. Saan ba? And money na kailangan ko i-deposit. Tinamad ako. Hindi ako nakapunta ng bangko. And yung raincoat. And lastly is my wallet. I need to downsize kapag syempre maliit yung bag ko. Ito yung gamit ko, Kate Spade. Card holder. I do have some cash dito sa middle and some cards na ginagamit ko or kailangan ko. I have my ID and my debit card. Yeah. So that's everything inside my bag. Dito sa zipper, wala yung nakalagay dahil wala akong maisip na ilagay sa sobrang liit. Ay! Ayun. But whenever I'm not carrying this bag, ano ba yan? Nagasgas na, Shemay. Oh well, hindi naman yan baby. Itong dalawang wallet yung dala-dala ko. Kaso, dahil ang laki-laki nga nito, so kailangan mag-downsize. So yeah, that's what's inside my bag. Thank you so much guys for watching. Sorry wala ang face ko dahil alam nyo naman na disaster yung face ko. Ang pula-pula, para akong may dandruff sa muka. So just please bear with me and see you guys on my next video. Bye!